Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 53 for May 28th, 2026. Today's AI news is pretty exciting, and I promise, no jargon. Let's go. So imagine you could start a song as a gentle opera and have it turn into heavy metal halfway through without any awkward jump. That is exactly what ElevenLabs just made possible with their new tool called Music V2. It is an AI model that builds full songs and lets you change entire music styles right in the middle of one track. Think of it like a talented friend who can rewrite a story on the fly, keeping the main characters and plot the same while swapping the setting from a quiet library to a wild concert. The model holds on to the melody, the beat, and the overall feeling even as the instruments and mood shift completely. It also includes something called in-painting, which works like editing just one paragraph in an essay while the rest of the paper stays untouched. You pick one section of the song, and the AI rewrites only that part so it still fits with everything around it. This matters because music creation used to need years of practice or expensive gear, but now anyone with a phone can experiment. A student making a school video could start with a simple tune and turn it into a full band sound without hiring musicians. Or a creator on TikTok could build background tracks that change mood to match different part of their clip. The result feels polished because the AI learned from millions of real song show notes and rhythms connect. You can try it yourself right now by heading to the ElevenLabs website and using their music demo. Type a short prompt like upbeat guitar riff that turns into orchestral strings and hearth a style switch while the main tune stays recognizable. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, where we slow down and see exactly how this kind of AI actually works. Think of it like the autocomplete on your phone when you text a friend. Your phone guesses the next word because it has seen billions of messages and learned common patterns. Music V2 does the same thing, except it guesses the next sound instead of the next word. The AI has listened to millions of songs, so it knows which notes, beats, and instruments usually follow each other. When you ask it to switch from operate to metal, it does not pick one note at a time and hope for the best. It plans several seconds ahead, almost like a storyteller who already knows the ending of the chapter before writing the middle. That forward planning keeps the melody from falling apart when the style changes. In painting works the same way, but on a smaller scale, like fixing one scene in a movie while making sure it still matches the scenes before and after. The model treats the whole song like one connected story, where every part has to fit with what comes next. And that is basically how this AI music generation works. Not so mysterious once you see the autocomplete idea underneath it all, right? Let us move to some cool tools you can actually touch today. YouTube is rolling out an automatic system that spots when videos use AI to create or heavily change the footage. The labels will show up right below longer videos and as an overlay on short clips so viewers know what they're watching. Think of it like those nutrition labels on food packages that tell you what is really inside. This helps when you are learning from videos or sharing clips with friends because you can tell real recordings from made-up scenes. Go to YouTube on your phone or laptop, search for a recent short video, and watch for any new label that says altered or synthetic content. It is already appearing on some clips, so you can see the difference right away. Next up, Taylor Swift is taking a legal step to protect her voice and face from fakes. She is registering trademarks on her likeness specifically to stop deep fakes that could make it look like she is endorsing products she never touched. Copyright law alone was not enough, so this gives her stronger tools to block fake endorsements. Imagine someone using your school photo in an ad without asking. The same technology that creates celebrity fakes could eventually reach regular people too. Reading about how public figures are pushing for better protections is a good way to understand why rules around AI content keep changing. Time for a couple of quick bits that caught my eye. Lawmakers in Illinois just passed a bill that would require big AI companies to let outside experts check whether they are following safety standards. The governor plans to sign it, making it one of the strongest state-level AI laws so far. It shows governments starting to treat AI safety like they treat food or car safety. Someone recently put the newest version of ChatGPT into a conversation with Cleverbot, an old internet chatbot from almost 20 years ago. The transcript is funny because the newer model responds with personality and context, while the older one jumps around randomly. It is a quick way to see how far conversational AI has come in 2 decades. And that is a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Narration Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.